Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you've been here before. I'm Beautiful Love Forever, aka Tay. Thanks for joining me. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. To prime my eyes, I'm gonna use the Juvia's Place Concealer in 24 and set it with the ABA setting powder in Deep Peach. Next, I'm using Juvia's Place the Blush Rose eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to take that shade and put that in my crease, and then I'm going to take the other shade and put that on half of my lids. Also, if you're watching and you're not subscribed, please make sure that you do so. Please make sure that you hit the bell and you click all so you'll be alerted of all my uploads. I upload a new short every Monday and a new video every Friday. Also, please make sure to click the like button on my shorts and videos, as well as comment and share, because I really appreciate that. Now I'm using the Glamllite Icy Blue Raspberry eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to take that light blue shade and put that on the other half of my lids. Moving on to my face, I'm going to use the Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing Gel. Next, I'm using the Everyday Humans Rose from Above Mineral Sunscreen. For primer, I'm using the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer. To correct the dark spots on my face and neck, I'm using the e.l.f. Orange Color Corrector. For some more coverage, I'm using the e.l.f. Camo Concealer in Deep Chestnut. Now I'm using the ABA setting powder again to set where I had that orange corrector and that concealer at. For foundation, I'm using the Uma by Sharon C Skin Perfecting Foundation in Bronze Venus T5. To highlight, I'm using the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in Praline. While that's sitting, I'm using the Juvia's Place Bronzer Palette in Dark to contour my nose as well as bronze my face. Next, I'm using the setting powder to set where I had that concealer at. For my all over face powder, I'm using the Fenty Beauty Soft Matte Powder Foundation in the shade 440. For blush, I'm using Juvia's Place Blush Duo Blush Volume 4 palette. I'm just going to take that top shade and use that. To highlight, I'm using Juvia's Place the Royalty 1 Loose Highlighter. For lips, I'm using the Buxom Full On Plumping Lip Matte in Brunching and the Juvia's Place Lip Liner in Brownie. To set my face, I'm using the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. And that is it for this makeup tutorial. Hope you all enjoyed this light blue and pink cotton candy type eyeshadow look. Please don't forget to subscribe. If you're not subscribed, please make sure you hit the bell and you click all so you'll be alerted of all my uploads. I upload a new short every Monday and a new video every Friday. Also, please make sure to click the like button on my shorts and videos, as well as comment and share, because I really appreciate that. Everything I use will be listed in the description box, as well as all my social media handles. And I appreciate each and every one of you watching. Thank you so much. I'll see all of you in the next one, and make sure you take care of yourselves. Bye.